This is another beautiful day, Monday 28th of July 2025, in the city of Owerri. We are gonna take you on a tour to see what is going on in the city, to see the beautiful road, to see the beautiful atmosphere, beautiful ambience in the city of Owerri. This is another beautiful road in the city of Owerri we have not shown you. You can see for yourself. Owerri has beautiful roads. All these roads were newly constructed. As you can see, the road looks very beautiful, clean and solid and well marked. Owerri doesn't play when it comes to road marking. That is why the roads in Owerri are always unique. Not only that, Owerri has the widest road in the southeast. Almost all their roads are very wide. If not 8 lanes, you will see 4 lanes or 6 lanes in all their major roads. You can never apply any major road in Owerri that is not very wide. Some you will see them 8 lanes, 6 lanes and 4 lanes. Even some roads that pass through the streets, some of them are double lanes. I love the city for that. Keep watching the video, you are gonna see a lot of things as you watch.